Bad boys always seem to go against the current and win the hearts of women easily, while considerate men often do everything possible to make a woman happy but end up being left behind, finding themselves in the shadows in the limbo of the friend zone. For many women, an overly accommodating man can seem inauthentic or indecisive. The considerate man patiently waits for a signal, an opening, while she might be fascinated by the rebellious charm of another. If you want to understand how to make women's hearts beat, you must learn when to put shyness aside and which boundaries to push. In this video, we will explore 9 behaviors that confident men use to win the hearts of women. It's time to get out of the friend zone. Follow this video to the end to understand and stop repeating the mistakes you are making. I'm sure the 5th behavior is the one that has blocked you so far in conquering the girls you like and the first one you'll need to improve on. Welcome to Academia Playlover, the channel that reveals the hidden mechanisms behind romantic relationships. Every week we explore the subtleties and secrets of modern relationships. Ready to challenge what you thought you knew? First point, the art of consent. Today, you are told that we live in an era where it's essential to always ask if you want to hug her or offer her a drink. They suggest you ask, but here is a different perspective. When there is a real connection, not many words are needed. You can perceive if your presence is welcome. If you feel it is not, it's better to withdraw. But if you feel a mutual attraction, move forward with confidence. Decisive men often act differently. They look at what they want, whether it's a goal or an opportunity, and act with determination. I'm not saying be reckless or cross boundaries, but sometimes too much hesitation can be counterproductive. Confident men know when to move forward and when to step back. They have the ability to read the moment. If things don't go as expected, they look elsewhere to get what they want. Often, obtaining what you desire doesn't require permissions but intuition and self-esteem. This type of energy that expresses confidence and direction is often what many women look for in a man. Second point, embrace your own uniqueness. We all have quirks that make us special. However, many men prefer to hide them for fear of being judged or rejected. You should never feel ashamed or feel the need to disguise who you really are. An authentic man stays true to himself regardless of others' approval. If you have a passion like painting, dancing, or comics, embrace it. Although some may not understand you or look at you with suspicion, sincerity and authenticity attract. Expressing yourself authentically is much more attractive than presenting yourself as a fake individual. That said, this is not an invitation to waste time on frivolities or behave irrationally. Being authentic doesn't mean having no limits or responsibilities. Distinguish between what makes you unique and what makes you look like a copy of everyone else. Third point, establish boundaries. Accommodating men often overlook questionable behaviors, hoping to gain a woman's approval. In contrast, a confident man sets firm boundaries. He has no patience for manipulations or red flags. No matter how desirable a person may seem, it's essential to remember that at the end of the day, we are all human beings with virtues and flaws. If you allow behaviors that go against your core values, you may find yourself in a situation of regret. You may initially gain the person's affection, but once the initial phase of excitement is over, you could feel dissatisfied and resentful. So, although it may seem difficult, if you recognize red flags, it's better to confront them immediately or walk away. Don't sacrifice your integrity for a fleeting relationship. Recognize your worth and don't waste time with those who don't appreciate it. Fourth point, avoid idolization. In many cultural contexts, men feel pressured to put women on a pedestal, almost as if they were untouchable creatures. Cinema and literature often perpetuate this idea. But think about this. If she receives this kind of adoration from a multitude of men, what makes you different from the others? Women, like all of us, live in a world where attention and sweetness are easily obtained. If you want to stand out from the crowd, treat her as an individual, not as an unattainable entity. If you really want to stand out, start appreciating and respecting yourself first. It might sound like a form of selfishness, and indeed it could be, but putting yourself at the center of your decisions and valuing yourself is a sign of confidence and self-esteem. Strangely, this type of personal security can be much more attractive because it indicates a strong self-awareness. Fifth point, avoid the comfort zone. The vast majority of men take refuge in a comfort zone, raised with the idea of not crossing it or using it too often. You often see them trapped in monotonous routines, even though these make them feel unsatisfied. Fear of taking risks and the habit of the familiar make them reluctant to change. This not only limits their prospects but is often unattractive in the eyes of women. After all, there is not much exciting about a man who avoids change or challenge. Confident men, on the other hand, challenge conventions. They are not afraid to take risks. They firmly believe that even if things didn't go as expected, they would have the resources to recover. They act according to their instinct without too much hesitation. Naturally, it's not about diving headfirst into dangerous or irrational situations but having the courage to challenge the usual when appropriate. Sixth point. Avoid monotony. Dating a bold man can bring that rush of excitement and adventure that many women seek. They live life on the edge, giving those with them an adrenaline rush. They dare where others hesitate and are always in search of new experiences to explore and new challenges to accept. Seventh point. The charm of inaccessibility. Many women are used to the attention and advances of various men. However, there is an undeniable attraction to those who seem above the game of seduction. Bold men often embody this characteristic. They don't adhere to traditional games and are known for their elusive and unpredictable nature. Eighth point. Passion. Bold men act with a burning intensity that has the power to captivate. They have a clear and visible motivation behind every gesture or life choice. Behind every action, there is an engaging plot that amplifies their attractiveness in the eyes of many women. Ninth point. Self-sufficiency. Confident men know how to fend for themselves. They don't look for someone to take care of them or tell them what to do. This relieves many women from feeling they have to take care of their partner. Many are used to guiding their man, telling him to take on responsibilities or focus on certain priorities. But a decisive man doesn't need constant guidance. They are capable of taking care of themselves, their own needs, and facing challenges independently. This independence often emanates a certain attractiveness. Here's the real trick. Always put yourself first. Women can come in and out of your life, but your self-esteem and personal growth are priorities. Everything you do, do it for yourself, not to please others or build relationships. The attraction you generate will be a natural reaction to your personal commitment. Don't wait for approval, take the initiative. If this message has impacted you, give us your opinion. Share your thoughts in the comments below the video. We like to interact with our community. And for more ideas on how to grow as an individual, click on the video that appears now on the screen and continue your growth journey with us. Thank you for following us this far, and don't forget that your worth is unique.